Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm gonna redraw Goku Super Saiyan God from 2017, so 5 years ago. This is one of my more popular drawing videos on my channel, and it's actually a pretty good drawing too. The proportions are on point, the line art is clean, the coloring and shading is also great, but the aura is the weakest part in the drawing. It doesn't really look like an aura, it looks like the fire is just behind Goku. And the fire doesn't really look like fire. I think I can do way better today, and that's what we will find out now. Make sure to like the video guys, subscribe if you are new, and then we can start. Let's go. I am using an A4 size paper and the guideline for the face is 4 centimeters. You can find direct Amazon links to the exact same materials I'm using in the info box below guys. I remember using a reference for this one, so I searched on Google for the reference and found this image. If this is made by an artist, make sure to let me know the name down below so I can give credit. And guys, this drawing is not a commission, so high quality prints will be available on Etsy, so check that out. For custom drawings, you know where to find me. Shoot me a DM on Instagram so we can talk about your special drawing. Even though the proportions were great in the old drawing, I think I did even better on the new one. As for the inking, I will do it very clean as always and give it 2 layers of ink with some thick lines. The third layer with the black shades, I feel like doing it for only badass drawings. This one I want to look more natural as Goku is way less muscular in the Super Saiyan God form, so I think that fits way better. As for the coloring, I'm using lots of different alcohol markers, and before I start coloring, I'm already choosing all the different color tones I need. That way you will be much more efficient and save time. I want to use more vibrant color tones on the new drawing, so it's more lively and eye-catching. Still, I want the shading to be natural and not too crazy. And guys, we are getting closer to reach 400,000 subscribers, so keep subscribing if you are new, so we can reach that goal soon. That would be amazing. Also, like the video and leave a comment below so the video can perform better, and that way I will reach a bigger audience. You can also support me on Patreon, just in case you appreciate my work. Now to the aura. As I said, the aura on the old drawing doesn't really look like fire, and it doesn't really look like it's surrounding Goku. This has to be improved. I want the aura to look like actual fire this time, so I'm using 3 different yellow tones and 2 orange tones, and using them from bright to dark. Coloring the aura like this took me a good amount of time, but I think you will love the end result. I'm also adding some white dots and highlights around Goku to give the aura a nice touch. Alright guys, last touch and then Goku Super Saiyan God is done. I think it looks amazing guys, what do you think? The colors are very powerful, Goku looks amazing and the fire aura turned great in my opinion. I gotta admit, Goku looks a bit too young here maybe, but that's the only issue I have with this drawing. And comparing it to the old version from 5 years ago, we can see once again huge improvements. I think the biggest improvement is of course the aura. This time it really looks like the aura is surrounding Goku and it really looks like fire. Other than that, I think I choose better color tones. The shading is also a bit better, but as I said, Goku itself looks great on the old drawing too, so there is not much to improve. Still, I think the new one is way better and we can see a huge difference. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will also upload this drawing very soon and full time on my real-time drawing channel, so subscribe over there as well. Again, check out the info box for the links to my materials, my Instagram, my Patreon, online shop, real-time drawing channel and much more. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next